I've been disappointed with the output of the Toyota Tundra headlights for years now. And now I'm going to do something about it. After unboxing and getting a look at these LED Auxito bulbs, they're kind of cool looking. I'm going to slap them in. Installation turned out to be a piece of cake. This is what they look like now during the day. After installation, I was happy to see that these lights are super bright. Also, I like the color. Everything's much clearer with these lights on now. And also, I was very happy to learn that the headlight adjust feature is still workable after these are installed. As you can see, the stock lights are not very good, and I didn't really realize that they were so bad. So then when we put the new ones in, it made a huge difference. Here's the after.